Alright, welcome back everyone to Toyo's channel. Today, for this episode, I'm going to unbox the Nezuko Glitter and Glamorous Nezuko figure from the Demon Slayer series. Without further ado, let's get unboxing. You can see here more flower illustration on top, and let's get opening. You have a gigantic box, but the figure is 1/4 of the size of the box, so it's pretty crazy how big the box is. From the first look, it does look pretty neat and on point, especially with the eyes. You can kind of see the small lines that's in her pupils, so that's a good sign already. Moving on to the mouthpiece, it does look great as well. There's no over the edge coloring. One thing I love about this figure is how they've sculpted the fingers, because it just looks really elegant and the size is really on point. And as you can see on the tips as well, they've colored very light pink as well for her spiky nails. Moving on to the rest of her kimono, coloring is on point as well, no rough edges. And moving on to the bottom leg area, same pattern, no real complaints here. And for the feet, the colors are very nicely done as well, no rough edges. And even on the linings for the socks, it's very much on point as well. The color's gone over a bit, but again, I'm not going to look at it from the backside. There are some of the colors that's used for the bow, I think, because it's light pink instead of the darker crimson red on the tip of her hair. Kind of puts me off, but you can't really do much about it. The other noticeable flaw that I've noticed is this area where the color is very thinned out. Really see the black that's coming out from the bottom layer, so they could have used more paint on this particular area. On the back, I don't have a lot of complaints towards it because it does look good overall, and the scalp is pretty on point as well. Overall, if I were to look at it every day from a distance, it'll be a good figure to have in the collection. So overall, I think this figure is very on point in terms of the sculpting as well as the lovely packaging that we've seen. They've put a lot of effort into it. In terms of coloring, there are some areas that can be improved, but for a figure of this price, the quality is absolutely great. You get a lot of value out of it. It'll definitely go great with your other Demon Slayer or just Nezuko collection that you've got in your display, like me. Thank you very much again for tuning into my channel. If you do like my content, please give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel for more goodness and greatness. And until next time, take care and stay safe.